All right, boys and girls, today we're talking about the Earth, Moon, and Sun. In science, we'll be starting a 2-week unit about Earth, Moon, and Sun. We've already started some work in the solar system with our unit on planets that we did last 9 weeks, and we talked about the planets in terms of their size order and the planets in terms of their position from the sun. So the first thing you need to know in this unit is rotation, revolution, and tilt. Okay, so Earth completes one revolution around the sun every 365.25 days. So Earth's revolution is when it spins all the way around the sun. You see that down here. Its revolution is its trip around the sun, or a year. The revolution is a year long for the Earth. It's one trip around the sun. Okay. The moon, however, revolves or completes a revolution around the Earth about once a month. So the moon's trip around the Earth is much shorter than the Earth's trip around the sun. This is revolution, revolving around the object. Revolving around the sun, revolving around the Earth, depending on if you're talking about the moon or the Earth. Now, rotation is spinning on its axis. So here's the Earth's axis. It's this imaginary line, okay? And because of the axial tilt, as the Earth revolves around the sun, the rays of the sun hit the Earth in different ways, and the tilt causes the seasons, okay? The rotation of the Earth is day and night. As the Earth spins on this axis, it turns around and around and around and around, which causes part of the Earth to be in the sun and part of the Earth to be facing space in the moon, which is the night. Day, night, and as it is rotating around the sun, the parts of the Earth that are getting the direct rays of the sunlight are in the summer, while the parts that are not getting the direct rays of the Earth's or the sun's light are in the winter. So, for example, here you can see it says December 21st. Here's North America. It's cold. It's not getting the direct rays. The direct rays are coming to Australia and South America. So South America, Australia, that area of the world is in, like, quote, summertime weather, even though it's winter. So their winters are hot where our winters are cold. Whereas in June, North America is hot and Australia and South America are cooler, which means that they're in their, quote, winter colder temperatures while we're in our warmer temperatures. That's rotation and revolution. You have in your notebook all these cool videos from YouTube that will help you better understand rotation and revolution and the rest of the aspects of this unit. I would highly encourage you to watch them as we are going through your work this week.